Now, the first question I want to ask is, are you putting so much work into your business, yet you are not seeing a commensurate financial growth? Are you afraid of delegating sensitive tasks to your employee because of the fear of Waji trade secret, Miller? Do you experience a high turnover of employees, and do they often quit without prior notice? Are you finding it difficult to hire the right employees for your business? Is your inventory, account, or business record messed up and yet you don't even know how to fix it? Does it look like your staffs are nonchalant and maybe they're not even committed to your work? Or maybe you're currently experiencing employee theft and feel that there is no way out. What about the situation where you have trained your staff, but you end up doing what you trained them to do? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then you need to listen attentively. Nítorí pé ẹni tí ò bá tí ní okòwò débi pé ó ní àwọn tó ń bá a ṣiṣẹ́, ó lè má mọ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí dáadáa. If you don't have a business that have number of staffs working for you, you might not understand. But truth to be told, when it comes to business, as a business owner, looking at the current economic state of the country, this is the high time for you to take your business seriously. And it's seriously lọ́nà wo? Lọ́nà yìí ni o. Number one, you need to start seeing your business. Lọ́sẹ̀ tó lọ àbí ọ̀sẹ̀ tó lọ ṣáájú àsìkò yìí ni mo sọ pé stop seeing yourself as a business owner. Start seeing yourself as an investor in your business. Meaning that you have something at stake that you are expecting a return on investment on. Nǹkan tó máa ń sábà pa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ olókoòwò lára ni pé a máa ní jẹ́ ká ṣáà máa tì lọ yóò dáa, jẹ́ a máa tì lọ yóò dáa. Hello? Hello?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, I want to talk on the program that's ongoing presently on property issues.
Okay, go ahead.
The questions that you asked this presently, I actually have an issue concerning those lines of questions that you asked.
Okay.
So there's a school owner got somebody who put in place who is not really, not really responding or not really performing as expected. So that is really, in fact, virtually all those questions that you put online or done
that I've just mentioned.
Tell you, yes, I can really just tell you, really, I'm the one.
I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep listening. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I love this honesty. Thank you so much. You know, I said something that if you're not in the shoes of the business owner, you might not understand. Thank you so much for that. Now, the major thing that is happening to most business owner is because we don't have system and process in place when we employ people. In fact, in some situations where they have something that looks like a system, those things are never used. Like I've seen so many business owners today who have what we call company policy or staff handbook. But their company policy or staff handbook is just similar to what people say business plan. I don't know whether you've seen business plan before. Tí àwọn èèyàn bá kọ business plan, ẹ béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó ti kọ business plan sẹ́yìn. Ọjọ́ wo, ìgbà wo ni wọ́n ti ṣí business plan yẹn gbẹ̀yìn? That is the way so many company policy staff handbook are used, because number one, nǹkan tó máa ń fa ti business plan ni pé number one, ẹni tó kọ ló yé. Number two, òyìnbó tó wà nínú ẹ̀ gan kò yé ẹni tó ní business fúnra ara ẹ̀. So when most people write business policy staff handbook, ìgbà míì tí n bá jókòó wò ó, màá kàn máa béèrè àmì léèrè pé ṣé ìwọ gan, ẹ̀yin gan tẹ́ ẹ ní company, ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ kọ sínú policy yìí ṣó yé ẹ̀yin gan fúnra ara yín? So when you employ people without clear direction, then there will be a problem. I remember there was a school owner who employed somebody who studied business educational management. Yeah, that was what the guy studied, educational management. Nígbà tí wọ́n gba ẹni sí school yìí as being an educational management person, ẹni tó ní school yẹn sọ pé since tó jẹ́ pé o study educational management ní school, ó yẹ kó o lè study school, ó yẹ kó o lè manage school. And that was the beginning of their problem. So when you have a business and your business does not have a system, it does not have process, it does not have what I call SOP, which is standard operating process. That is, this is the way you do things. You take it from A, you put it in B, you put it in C, then there will be total confusion and chaos in your business. Another thing that also creates problem in business is the fear of the owner to be truthful to his employees. Ìwọ ló kó ẹrù wọlé, ìwọ ló mọ n tó kó wọlé, ṣùgbọ́n ò jẹ́ kán mọ̀ pé n tó kó wọlé yìí mẹ́wàá ni, ó níbi tá à ń rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ sí. Ìwọ ló kàn máa dédé jíjọ́ kan wà lẹ́nìkan ti jí. Báwo náà ṣe fẹ́ mọ n tó pé ń bẹ̀ àti n tó kù? Most businesses today that I've seen, at the close of work, when you close for the day, what does your staff normally do? Tẹ́ ẹ bá close for the day, pé okay o, tó bá ti ń dé aago mẹ́fà àbá aago márùn lẹ́yìn máa ń close. Tán bá ti parí láago márùn yẹn, kí ló máa ń sábà ṣẹlẹ̀? What you see with most business owners is their staff takes up their bag and everybody is saying, bye-bye, we're going. But even in situations where they write a report as to what they did for the day, even situations where they give report, business owners don't even go through the report or even acknowledge the report. So tó bá dé level kan, àwọn staff náà máa wò pé kí ni essence report tá nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lò, kí ni importance report tá kọ tẹ́ ẹ acknowledge. Ṣé ti rí ibi tí ìṣòro ti máa ń dé nìyẹn? And many times when we don't have these things in place, what happens is that máa make a decision based on emotion. Máa make a decision based on emotion. Emotion, the fact pé mo like ojú gẹ́ yìí kò lè ṣe burúkú. Mi mọ̀ bóyá ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí nígbà táwọn kékeré tẹ́nìkan bá ya tọ́jú tó máa rùn yẹn. Ṣé mọ̀ pé táwọn ẹ̀ bá wò rárá ẹni tójú ẹ̀ bá lè náà máa sọ pé ìwọ ló ṣe ìwọ ni. Emotion la fi decide pé ẹni ló ń láti ṣe kíní yẹn. So when it comes to your business, remove emotion from operating the business. But I'm not saying you should become a tiger, because some people will believe that tí n bá pariwo mọ́, tí n bá jágbe mọ́, tí n bá jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé mi like ẹ̀ kàn ní BP lásán ni o. Your blood pressure will just rise for nothing. Láti jọ́ yìí tó o ti máa ń pariwo mọ́ wọn, kí ló change? But when you have a system and process in place, ẹni bá kọlù á mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ń kọlù yìí punishment yẹ̀ rèé. Àwọn onílé iṣẹ́ dẹ̀ máa ń ṣe kinní kan gbà míì tán ni kò yẹ kó jẹ́ nítorí pé ẹ̀dọ̀ ẹni ló ṣẹ̀ sí jẹ́ ká fojú fò. Let me give you one other example when it comes to all these things I'm explaining. Because if you don't take care of this, even when you are losing money, you will not even know. Again, fún yín lápẹẹrẹ kan, bóyá nínú business tí ẹ̀yin máa ń ṣe regular staff meeting. Àwọn company kan wà tá àti ẹ̀ kì í ṣe rárá. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá kì í ṣe staff meeting, Ọ̀yọ́ lẹ́wà o, kì í ṣe Ọ̀yọ́ Ìbàdàn OYO, on your own. Lẹ́yìn wà. Now, for those who do regular staff meeting, there's another problem. The problem is this. In the meetings, what you see or what you hear people talk about is fine for those who do not attend meetings, fine for latecomers. What about benefit for those who come regularly? Zero. Nígbà míì ẹ tún gbọ́ táwọn èèyàn sọ pé responsibility ẹ̀ ló ń ṣe yẹn. So tó nǹkan tó bá fi mú yín tẹ́ ẹ bá fi ní punishment for bad behaviour, you should also have benefit for good behaviour. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tá a máa ń rí tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé gbogbo wa company wa a máa operate ẹ̀ bí Nàìjíríà ni. À ń operate company wa business wa bí Nàìjíríà. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ní Nàìjíríà a ní anti-robbery, anti-laundry, gbogbo anti ìwà àbàjẹ́ ló wà, anti. A ò ní pro ìwà dáadáa, pro orówó ńlẹ̀ ó dáa padà gbà, pro ó gbá èèyàn létí fódìdí ọdún kan gbà, pro ó ṣe kinní kan. We don't have it, but we have a lot of antis, and you are now wondering why is it ìwà àbàjẹ́ ń gòkè sí? Because people who do good are never compensated. So if in your business people have seen it pé ẹni tó ń ṣe dáadáa gan rí náà rí, báwo lẹ ṣe expect pé commitment kó wáyé? So if you have staffs who are not committed, check yourself. Like I used to tell most business owners, the biggest problem in your business is the person you are seeing in the mirror. The day the person you see in the mirror decide to take decisive action as to making the business right, that's the day everything is going to change. Ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ ń di gbogbo tí mò ń sọ yìí, mo máa ṣe láwẹ́láwẹ́ báyìí díẹ̀díẹ̀. All right, let me quickly mention that for those young people who have been asking me, because one of the questions I don't answer is what business